Hi, here is the Canon Autoboy Luna 105S overall conditions, and here the bottom part is the battery compartment using one CR123 battery, and we just put it inside. Okay, and then by pulling here down to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and we put our film at here. Then okay, so from now on we need to slide into it to make sure that the motor is fit into the center point of the film canister. Yeah, then we just push the top in and make sure that the film is flat. Then put the film tip into here, and then we just close it and it will auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you have loaded the film successfully, then here is the on button. When you're on, the flash will be pop up lah. Then here is the zoom and zoom out. Here is the shutter button. Here is the viewfinder, and when you look into the viewfinder, you will see the center point there got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if the red light light up but the green light keep blinking, which means that it can't focus while the flash is ready. Then if we aim far a bit, oh sorry, I'm in the portrait mode, sorry. So you just use the auto, half press. Okay, if it doesn't blink, then we just click it. For the portrait mode, it will auto like framing lah. So yeah, then here is the sport mode and night mode. This one is the RT mode. So every time you want to shoot, half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. Yeah, if it blink for the green light, which means that it can't focus, if I'm not wrong, you still can fire the shutter, just the outcome will be out of focus. And if you see it still can function. Then the flash charging here will keep blinking lah. If it doesn't blink, then which means the flash is ready. Yeah, for now it's like this. Then this button is for the flash setting. This one is force flash, off flash. This one is compensation mode, decompensation. This one is night mode plus flash, red eye reduction. Like this means fully auto. Then this is the spot metering lah. Yeah, usually it's like for spot metering. It usually is for like maybe portrait or backlight situation only it will use. Then this one is the timer. Same, half press and press it. Okay, when here light up like this, which means that the timer is start counting lah. Then we wait for like around 10 seconds will do. Okay, then overall it's like this, and you can adjust the date setting by yourself lah. Wow, I'm not sure whether it got until 2025 or not. Oh yeah, to click this, then click the set. This one is year lah, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it got until 2025. Then click select again. This one I think is month. We shall see about it. Yeah, this month. Then this one is the date. Then this one is the time. You can adjust by yourself lah. Okay, then you can switch the mode to the date you want. Okay. Yeah, okay. By clicking this to switch lah. This one is the the year, month, date function. Then this, oh sorry, then click to switch the mode. Yeah, this one is the date and the time, but if you don't want, you just put it like this will do. And the overall is like this, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoyed.